how to send a fixed email through the deployed form in Google Sheets. I've created an action type that automatically sends an email each time the form is filled out. Let's check this example in the previously created form. In the left section below the field types, there is Action Type. Find the Send Email and click it. Then in the right section Action Properties, select Enable this action. Then add an email that will receive the details. Next, add Email Subject and Content. Next, you need to save the updated details and refresh the page. Make sure that the action type switch to On. In the Google Sheets from the top menu, open the Extensions and App script. Next, copy the script from the Generated Code tab into Google Sheets App script. Save the changes and deploy into the web apps. Let's test it. The filled form will be saved in the Google Sheets, and the email will be sent to email account that I added in the action properties. Here you will receive all the details that have been recorded through the form.